Udi has a brand new 2024 KTM 250 SX. This is his first ever brand new bike, right?
Yep.
First ever brand new bike. It is absolutely beautiful. No more carburetor, fuel injected 2-stroke, baby. That thing's sick. Oh, and e-start. You got to fire it up.
All right.
Oh, it's so easy. Super happy for you, buddy. Super happy for you.
All right, let's see. This is the first time this thing's ever touching the dirt. I had so much traction. Whoa! A little too hard. Oh, shoot. Damn it. No! My new bike. I knew I was going to tip it over, man. Oh!
You all right?
Yeah, I fell.
Already?
Brake pad. Ah!
Hell yeah. Yeah, buddy. He definitely looks better in the air on that new KTM. Dude, he just tried it. He cased it, but he tried it. You sent it!
Yeah, I tried.
I think I can take him in this inside up here. Maybe not. He's riding good on his new 252 stroke. Oh, I keep getting better to that corner, baby. That was awesome. Look out, Udi, I'm coming for you. Oh, 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 whoa!
Whoa! Oh my God! Did you see that shit? I'm so glad he was behind me.
Oh, what? I don't hit a jump like that, bro. I gotta have that run. My God, I almost went OTB. Shoo! Dude! Squeeze that bike, dude. Second time already swapped through there. Here we go. That's what I'm calling this from now on. This is a 3-stroke KTM 250. My buddy Colin showed up on a Suzuki RMZ450. Oh! Dang, he got sideways off that little kicker. On a 21 RMZ 250. Get it, buddy. Whoa, whoa. I got that all up in my mouth. All that sand. Me and Udi are just gonna cut the track from here, just try and do some whips. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna practice them. Why the hell not, you know? That one felt awesome.
Oh, that was pretty good. Yeah, buddy. That was good. All right. This time I'm gonna try and throw it far. Whoa! Okay, I threw it far as shit that time, but I did not come back at all.
We'll try to follow Colin again, get a little whip train going. Dude, you like manhandle that thing. Yeah. Like I see you physically throwing it. That was good. That was good, dude. This tabletop is like a perfect size to practice whips like this on. If you case it, it's really not that big of a deal. I think it's about 60, 65 feet in length. That one was sketchy. I feel like I actually tossed it, but I landed a little too short. I cased it a little bit. Oh, he's almost clicking. Dude, you almost clicked him. You're like this far, but it's probably that's probably the hardest bit at the end.
It really is, because you don't want to be out there for so long.
No.
Really.
Here he comes. Is he gonna try it? Oh, he went for it! Alrighty, well, I think I'm gonna wrap this moto vlog up here. It was a lot of fun riding this track with my buddies today. A lot of fun trying to do some whips off this thing. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.